Hello guys, good morning. Welcome to my channel. So I would like to show my helmet. So if you want to have this kind of helmet, so just order online or visit the motorcycle shops near you. So this is Rook helmets. So one of the Rook helmets in the world. Okay. So this is a classic look helmet. So certified by the ICC. So this is extra large and I would like to show what's inside. So it is very good quality. So as you look at this, so this is leather and the foam also is very nice. So it's very comfortable in the head. So this is good when you're riding this kind of bike. So this is a classic bike, so an XSR 155. So if we try riding this bike using this helmet, this is how we look. So this is also good even if you are using an ordinary bike like this one and that one. So if we try to ride this one, so this is how we look. So this is still good even if you are using only this kind of bike. So let's try this one. Alright. So to order this one, so you can search LE Shop on TikTok. So I will tell my wife to add this one on her shops. So thank you for watching and please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.